Hey guys, it's Camilla, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add and subtract mixed numbers. Now, some people think that's pretty difficult or it's pretty easy. Sometimes it could be both. So what I'm going to show you is how to add and subtract mixed numbers. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is grab my Expo dry eraser, and I am going to do a fraction. So I'm going to do 3 and 1/3. So let's just put example 3 and 1/3. So we're going to do a minus 2 and 1/4. Now, some people might think on a test or on your homework that you could just simply subtract 3 minus 2 and end up with 1, and these two zeros, and this would become a 1. Now, on some cases that might work if the denominator would be bigger and the denominator on this side would be smaller, and this would be a different number. On some cases that might work, but on this case it doesn't work. So what we're going to do is convert what I call, and in my school we call it Javion's Recycle Circle. So we're going to go like that and like that. This way you subtract, and this way you add. So it's 3 times 3, that's a 9, plus 1, that's a 10. Okay, sorry. And that's a 10. And for the denominator, you always use the same one, which is a 3. And now for this way too, the same thing. That is an 8, 9 fourths. Now, some people might think that you're done and you can do this. Well, don't listen to them, because they're wrong. You cannot do this. Now the denominator, this denominator is a 3 and this denominator is a 4. This one is bigger than this denominator, but these work as well. So, now in this way, some people might call it converting. So what I'm going to do is do a 12 at the bottom. I put a 12 at the bottom. If you want to know how I did that, I put a 3 right here, times 3. And as everybody says, you always have to do the same thing as you do to the top. So you multiply that times 3. And then you multiply this times 4 and multiply this times 4. And you do that. And on the bottom you end up with the 12. And here you end up with the 12 as well. And 4 times 10 equals 40. 9 times 3, what is that? 27. Now, in this cases, you can do this. So you just subtract. What is 12? You end up with the same denominator. What is 40 minus 27? 13. Now, since this numerator is bigger than the denominator, what you do in this case is I think you can reduce it. So you end up with 1 and 1/12, and always have the same denominator. So same denominator. So you always have the same denominator, and your final answer will be 1 and 1/12. So that would be your final answer. And that is how you add and subtract mixed numbers. So hopefully this might help you during your schoolwork or back to school to help energize the brain, keep the brain working during the summer. So hopefully you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment below down, subscribe to my channel and Gina Rodriguez, and hopefully you guys like this video. So bye.